Alright, the show is going to open in a few moments, but we already have all the train displays running, so I'm going to go over to one of the tracks and get them. See? Here we go. Trains! Just wait for it, and one will come through the lower level. There you go. One will come around the upper level. There you go. There we go. There's the train coming through. Should come right in front of us. And then go through there and then come around the far side. I got Hogwarts yesterday, but I didn't get the Hogsmeade side. There, I'm out of the picture.
That guy there, he looks like you.
Yes, he does. Diagon Alley. It's moving very slowly, but there it is. And the sign. That's beautiful. Ah, here we go. Big track. Trains. Oh, there's one. There's one. And I think this one has a yellow caboose. Yeah, there we go. Yellow caboose. Oh wait, there's a passenger train. It's coming up. There we go. There we go. Oh, Ontario Northland. My grandma used to ride on those. And I hear they're bringing it back. This is the whole... A lot more of the vendor section here. Oh look, 3D printing. Now there was one. There we go. Oh, that's beautiful. A station with the bridge in the background. There you go.
When it comes to we go to this pub. It's Jet Brûlé.
Ah, Rico.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
There's the stop. You have to come down in 2 weeks.
Yes.
In Toronto.
Yep.
The ballpark is here.
Yep. Know where Steve was.
And, yeah.
Yep.
So, and he made these are labels off the ball.
I'm going to try to do the walk around. Ah, I got that yesterday. Try to get the diorama without me in the picture. Too much. Oh, there we go. Streetcars. There we are. There. And there you go. That's good. Here you are for the last 40 minutes, seconds. So let's see if I can get this one from this end. There you go. Coming through from the other side. So we've pretty well done a full circle. There's a few little trains here coming through. And that's the end for day 2.